What's up, you guys? How y'all doing? It's been a minute since I uploaded my last video, but I am back with another video. On today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. Different from fashion. We are diving into my model car collection. Now, I don't know if I've ever shown you guys my model car collection, and today I'm going to go pick up a special package. I'm so excited. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along. Also, you guys like my new car? I know you guys can't really see it, but I got me a new car. Yay. I actually had this car earlier in 2022. Got into a really bad hit and run. Somebody hit my car, left their car, ran off by foot. And so literally about 6-7 weeks ago, I bought the same car again because I really did enjoy the car, really did like the car. So yeah, I've decided to go and pick up my model car in my new car. So let's go, you guys. I'm so excited to bring you along with me. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Oh my God, look at this Ferrari. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the one right here. So it got damaged in shipping?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
See how it's from there?
Yeah.
It was like in half.
Wow.
Yeah, so Alan tried to do as...
It's still nice from a distance. You can't really tell.
No, you can't. You actually... It'll probably just like the paint here, but I mean, other than that, I mean, this is a race car.
Yeah.
Now
yeah.
you just need to get one of those little, what is it, a figurine?
Well, this is 1/8 scale Ferrari, right?
Yeah.
I don't even know how much that is.
That
I'm not even putting it on my wish list. All right, you guys. So this is my 2022 Honda Civic Sport Hatchback Touring. I got it in the Boost Blue color. I love this car. I got the windows tinted as soon as I got it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little run around view. Runs great and smooth, of course. Has great gas mileage. I really do love it. It's my favorite car so far. I've owned about maybe, I want to say maybe 1, 2, 4 or 5 Hondas I've had since living in California. And this is the first car I have to say is the car that I really do like. I actually like and enjoy, and I actually wanted. The other cars served a purpose, and that was just for work. But this one is my pleasure car. I only drive it on the weekends when I'm off, when I'm not doing anything, when I'm not working. So I don't anticipate putting a lot of mileage on it. And so, yeah, I figure why not get it in my favorite color. Once again, this is the Sport Touring trim. So I've got leather seats. Also, they're heated seats. It comes with Apple or Android CarPlay. This trim offers the biggest screen available. I think it's 7 inches. The other trims, the Sport trim and the regular trim, I think the screens are maybe 2 inches or 1 inch smaller. Beautiful dashboard, beautiful steering wheel. Everything is so aesthetically pleasing in this vehicle, which is something that you always don't get in addition to the exterior of the car looking great. Like a lot of times you'll get either or. You'll either get the outside of the exterior looks great, but the interior is like, or vice versa. But this time around, like, this car offers like both looks are just fantastic, both aesthetically pleasing. I love the Apple CarPlay. This is my favorite feature of the whole vehicle because everything I own is Apple, and so just being a part of their whole ecosystem is very important to me. And so I can play my music through here. I can GPS home through here. I got a place to charge my phone. I don't have to plug it up. I don't have to worry about having a cord with me. Although it is important to have a cord with me because sometimes I need to be on my phone while it's charging. I can't do that having the phone being charged there. Plenty of legroom space, which I'm excited about. As you can see, nobody's been in my back seat yet and sat. My seatbelts are still buckled in there. It's got a sunroof. Yeah, this is my 22 Civic. I'm so proud of this purchase, so happy about this vehicle. So moving on to my model car purchases. You guys, I am so excited right now because I got a really good deal on these model cars. Listen, they did not charge me tax. I wasn't charged for shipping because I came and picked up the items, and I negotiated the damaged Porsche model car. You guys, right now I'm so outside of my body, I can't even explain it because I'm just so happy I got a really good deal. So the Porsche, you guys, this is a 112 scale model car. I've compared the prices. I went online, looked everywhere else, looked on their website as well, and compared the prices. The 112 scales are usually so expensive, and I got this thing for $200. They had it listed. They already had it discounted and listed because it was damaged for $229. No, I'm sorry, $249. I think $249. And I said, well, how about we do it for $200? And I got my Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, because all of the other 112 scale G-Wagons, they're like $600, $700. And I got this one for this one was $229. So I'm just like, oh my God, I really got a good deal. And so I'm so excited that my very first 112 scales, I got a really good deal on. I usually do not buy from this website because they're usually overpriced. I'll usually compare the pricing, and everywhere else they're always cheaper. And so I use their website as a library because they have a lot of model cars on there that you can pick from. So I'll go on there, I'll bookmark my favorite cars, and then I'll go to other websites and try to find the car and see if it's cheaper to compare the prices. So I'm really excited to get home, prop these things up so you guys can see them and talk more about them. So let's go home and check them out. So you guys, I am back home. I'm all settled in. I got my model cars in. I was so like stressed out bringing this in because it's already cracked and already messed up. So I was stressing bringing this thing in. But here it is, you guys. Oh my God. The Porsche 911 112 scale. I'm so excited about this thing. Look at that wing. Oh, that is what's really getting me. This wing is awesome. So as you guys can see, it's cracked, it's scratched, okay? I kind of like that. I like the authentic look of it. You know, what race car hasn't been damaged, okay? Hasn't gotten into a wreck and been damaged, okay? So I kind of like that. As you can see here, this is 300 of these were made, and this is number 30. Dirty 30. Dirty 30 got damaged in shipping. So the lady told me, the sales rep told me that being shipped from overseas to here, it got damaged in shipping. As you can see, my other model cars are all 118 scales, okay? And I told myself, I said, I want to have a main display of 118 scales, but I also want to have a couple of bigger scale model car scales, you know, like propped up. Like I think I want to put one over there in the corner, and I'm gonna have like a little light going there. Sorry guys, the ambulance is going crazy. I want to have like a little light so I can light it up at night, perhaps. I want to have one right there and another one someplace else, maybe right there. Maybe I'll replace that with the other model car. So it kind of looks even, you know, a model car on both sides of my clothing right here. But I always wanted that. I don't plan on buying a lot of 112 scales because they're big, okay? They're big, they take up a lot of space. The 118 scales, they don't take up much space, okay? I plan on filling in every hole here. So I've got 6 more 118 scales to go, okay? But on a whim, I decided, you know what? I think I want to get a couple of 112 scales. So it like, when it comes to me shopping for these things, I don't really stick to a particular like car make or style. I just go with what I like, you guys. It just so happens that this top row here, they're all like hatchbacks, you know? Like all of them have a similar back to them. They all are like hatchbacks-ish. That wasn't on purpose. That was by mistake. I like the hatchback look. I like that. So this one down here is my Aston Martin that's from 007, and this is my Citroen. Okay, it's also hatchback. Okay, these two are the only ones that aren't hatchbacks. But I plan on getting some more as well. But you guys, the deal of a lifetime. Okay, even the case, you guys, alone is like $100. So they threw in the case. It's scratched up too, but I don't care. I'll deal with that. Like I'll accept that, you know. So I'm just so excited right now. Let's take the case off. The doors, they don't open. You can kind of see the inside of it. And it's pretty dope. This wheel here comes off. It's detached. When I picked this up a little bit earlier, I could, the wheel came off, and she told me that before I got it. But there's the plaque for it. Number 30 out of 300. It's so beautiful. The wing is what really caught my eye. I love wings, and I'm thinking about putting a wing on my Honda. And nothing this like over dramatic, but I thought about it at one point getting a wing for my Honda Civic that I showed you guys. But oh my gosh, you guys, I've only shown like one side. Let me show all sides of it. But here it is. And it's, if you can look past the scratches, it's beautiful. And again, I like the authentic look of it. I really do. It's really beautiful at the end of the day. Because if I didn't grab this thing, oh, trust me, someone else would grab it. Someone else would grab it and appreciate it. Now, you guys, let's open up my G-Wagon. I'm so excited. You guys ready? Let's open the G-Wagon. All right, you guys, let's get her opened. I'm so excited. Oh, this one's a beauty as well. Again, another great deal I got on this G-Wagon. A lot of the G-Wagons, they go for like 500, 600 and up. I got this one, you guys, for $229. And I'm also going to share with you the link to the store I bought this from. Feel free to go to the website, check it out, check out and see what you like. Get a feel for the website. I really do enjoy the website. Here she is, the 112 scale G-Wagon, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm scared to take her out of this thing because I'm scared she's gonna roll off the table. Here she is. Oh my gosh. What a beauty. All black, black interior seats with orange, looks like accent seats. Wow, what a beauty. I don't know what year this is. What year is this? Does it say on the box? I don't know. I'll figure it out later. Any Mercedes-Benz enthusiasts, let me know what the year is in the comments. But wow, what a beauty. The doors do not open on this one. But as you can see, you can look inside and see. It's pretty detailed. Very detailed. Beautiful car, gorgeous. And the back, look at that. Look at that. This is my favorite part. For some reason, this is my favorite part of the car. Don't know why, it just is. But so beautiful. And I already, of course, got my fingerprints all on it. I'm trying to get it out of the thing. But there it is, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is what I love about model cars. They are very, very detailed. They get everything perfect to the T, just right. That's why I love collecting these things. They're such a jewel to collect and enjoy. And I'm so excited I got my hands on this G-Wagon. I'm gonna buy me a display case like I have for the Porsche. And I'm gonna place this somewhere, either on that side of a clothing rack or that side, I don't know. But oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I'm in love with this. Such a pretty model car. So beautiful.